Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Um, Thank you. Well done. Uh-huh. So, in fact, make I tell una something. Una know say na only Nigeria fit make Baba God laugh. Anytime, any day. Anytime wey God just dey front face dey vex like this, na we fit make am laugh. You know why? Yes, now we now. Because last night, na so I take dream, I lie down, dey sleep my own jeje. I come dey dream for my dream, say, Baba God come call him Mosey, as in come call him angel. You understand? Say, Angel Gabriel. I say, Gabriel answer am. Baba God come tell am say, abeg turn on the television, make him on the television, make him know wetin dey happen. Angel Gabriel come dey look like this, say, Baba, wetin happen? You sef wan watch television? He say yes now. Na so God take answer am. Yes now. As you turn am, put am for Nigerian channel. I wan know wetin dey happen for dat country. Na so God dey take watch us o. Any channel wey you wan watch, him dey watch. You understand? Him dey see everybody. If you like, if you put am for the channel wey be say e go cover everybody, the whole nation, so you go dey watch us. Do you understand me? Na him eye be the channel. So I just want to make una dey. So na so angel, cause as angel Gabriel just hear say Nigerian channel, oh boy just laugh, him begin laugh. Baba God come surprise o, say wetin dey make dis one laugh? Angel Gabriel, na so him call am o. Why you come dey laugh like this? Wetin happen? Na angel Gabriel tell am say, Baba, you see this country wey you say make I turn on? Oh, that country dey burst my head. He say, how? Explain, expatiate, make I understand wetin you dey talk. He say, that country too funny, Baba. Me sef I go follow you watch them. Anytime I watch them like this, na so my body go dey jolly, sweet me. Na so God say, come on, turn something for me. I say, make you come do something for me. Come here, they talk, say, you won't follow me watch. Now you follow me create them. You follow me create them. Now me and you won't come they drag something. Say, well, I don't dey. They fight for this country because we are loved. We are loved. We are blessed. Do you understand that? Now so Angel Gabriel come tell Baba God say, Baba God, you know say even other countries, all the remaining countries, they love this country too. No be say na only we love to dey watch them. Other countries, they love this country too. They love them. And now guess what? They know say their country never said, their country no good, things no dey okay. But the kind thing wey all of them they do, they make their body dey sweet them. As in everybody for this country, they make each other laugh. Abeg, wait. Wait. But shebi una dey see wetin dey happen. Una dey see wetin dey happen. I dey my own jeje. Fine, let's take it. I called her because she was supposed to eat. I called her. It was already night. I wanted her to take something light to bed. I asked her, what will you take? Will you take custard? She said yes, she wanted to take custard. I said, okay, fine. Go and bring the custard that we have. Now, so she carry custard come. Shall you see this as kids, they take behave. I even told her, wait, later I'll go and make it for you. She said, no, mommy, I can do it. I said, okay, fine. How will you do it? She said, I used to see that you are the same way you used to do it. You melt the pap. If you melt the pap finish, I will boil water. I said, I will boil water. And she used to know the kind. I will tell her, okay, this see quantity of water you put for this, see quantity of water you put for custard, see quantity of water you put for this amount of this thing. Just imagine, see what she dey do. Make una dey follow me, dey watch. Metal one aka na ogolokwa. Just watch. She even said, okay, fine, she will do it, and then she will show me that she's going to video it or whatever. I said, okay, fine, that's good. At least let's show you your cooking skill now. Abi now. See, just watch. The cooking skill. Watch. Just watch. Cooking skill. See the cooking skill. Just imagine the way she got. Wait for long. See you. I better tell me, they share this what I never do. It don't spoil, be say it don't spoil. Which magic you want to do to this thing? What kind of magic do you want to do? How you want to repair this thing? Just watch. Eh? They go down here. Wait till this on the count now. What is she even counting? Hey, we for my afo. Ah. The only saving grace where she gets, only saving grace where she get that night, eh? Just watch. No phone name me tolo tolo now. They do head like tolo tolo. The only saving grace where she get say she pour this custard away. If not, I for pour milk, eh? On her hang here that night. She for belle food that night. She for drink at that night. Just imagine. Eh? Nah, so I told her wait. So she said no, Mike, I could do it. If you put it, you will turn it. You put water, it will be okay.